Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Pokemon Go login problem. So if you are using Android device or iOS, don't worry because in this video, I'm going to help you to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to check server status. Before troubleshooting on your end, make sure that the Pokemon Go servers are operational. Or websites that provide server status updates for the game. If the servers are down or experiencing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Next is to check internet connection. So, ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. You can also try resetting your network settings or restarting your router. Next is to restart the app. Close the Pokemon Go app completely and then relaunch it. These simple steps can often fix temporary login issues. Check for app updates. Make sure that you have the latest version of Pokemon Go installed on your device. Check the respective App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store for any available updates and install them. So if you're using Android, clear app cache. If you're using an Android device, you can try clearing the app cache for Pokemon Go. Go to your device's settings, find the apps or application manager menu, locate Pokemon Go and tap on clear cache. Then relaunch the app and attempt to log in again. Now reset app permissions. So if you are using an iOS device, you can try resetting the permissions for Pokemon Go. Go to your device's settings, scroll down and find Pokemon Go in the app lists and tap on it. From there, you can reset the permissions or toggle them off and on again. Now, check for login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct login credentials. If you are using a Google account, ensure that your account credentials are correct and working. Use a different login method. If you're experiencing login issues with one login method, try using a different method. Pokemon Go offers multiple login options, so you can try signing in with a different account if available. Try on a different device. If possible, try logging into your Pokemon Go on a different device to see if the problem is device specific. This can help identify if the issue lies with your device or account. So the last thing that you can do is to contact support. If none of the steps resolve the login problem, it's the best to reach out to Pokemon Go support team. They can provide specific assistance and investigate the issue further. So by following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to address common login problems in Pokemon Go and regain access to your account. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.